doing super long, hard workouts and on a real restrictive diet and you're not seeing the results that you desire and deserve, here's why. Hey everybody, it's Brian, founder of FatLossAfter40.com, and I wanted to send this as a reminder that super hard workouts is not the way to lose weight after the age of 40, because what happens is that throws your hormone levels out of whack and throws your metabolism out of whack. Because if you work out super hard, that raises the stress level, aka cortisol levels, the stress hormone in your body. When it does that, it makes you insulin resistant, which makes it even harder to lose weight. What that does is it keeps and trains your body to store that unwanted cellulite, to store that belly fat, to store that unwanted fat, and it makes it impossible. So what we want to do is, again, focus on doing the appropriate amount of exercise with the right exercise, the right workouts, the right exercises done the right way. Talk a little bit about diet. If you've been on a starvation diet and you're going below 1,200 calories, 1,100 calories, again, it puts your body in starvation mode. You might see a little bit of a weight loss initial bump. What happens is a lot of times is water weight, a lot of times it's actually muscle tone. What happens is when you go back to eating normal, you gain that weight back and more. We call that the weight loss roller coaster. So what we want to focus on with diet is focus on sustainability, focus on real food for real results, not packaged goods, not starvation stuff, none of this meal prep stuff. You want to make sure that you're doing and eating real food for real results. Again, the right foods, the right time for you, for your body, for your metabolism to regulate.